Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey viewers, welcome back. The new video. Check your observation skills. Find 85 within time. Hey genius, come on, time is over. Wow, that's great. Spot the odd letter LO within time. Hey, come fast, weavers, you found it. Time is up. Wow, amazing! Come on, genius, check your brain. Find 04 within time. Time is over. Hey, fast your eyes, find 35 within time. Come on, legend, you found it. Time is over. Wow, excellent work. Anybody can find within 15 seconds? Yes, you found it. Come on, genius, check your observation skills. Find 06 within time. Focus master, find 23 within given time. Come on, my legend viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, that's great. Hey, boost your IQ level, find 32 within time. Time is up. Nobody can find WD within time. Wow, good job! Hey, quick eyes test, find TB within time. Hey, my question is very hard, but my viewers is very genius. Come on, genius, time is over. Identify the odd number within time. legend, time is over. Hey, can you find 72 within given time? Wow, amazing! Hey, test your visual skills. Find M9 within given time. Wow, good job! Hey, what's next? Medium level start. Wow, spot the odd number 392 within given time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is over. Hey, are you focus master? Find 051 within given time. Yes, my viewer is very focus master. Hey, can you find 495 within time? Hey genius, pick the odd number within given time. Wow, that's great! Come on viewers, challenge your brain! Time is over! Hey, boost your IQ level within time! Wow, amazing! Hey viewers, test your eagle eyes. Find S6K within time. Come on legend, you found it. Time is over. Hey, spot the odd letter within given time. Wow, excellent work. Hey, test your eagle eyes. Find RED within time. Come on legend, time is over. find the odd one out within given time? Hey, check your mind, find HKP within time. Wow, amazing! Nobody can find within 15 seconds. Come on, legend, time is over. Hey, identify the odd number within given time. Hey viewers, next hard level. Come on viewers, check your brain within 15 seconds. Hey, my question is very hard, but my viewers is very legend. Come on legend, time is over. Wow, that's great. Boost your IQ level within 15 seconds. Hey viewers, are you focus master? Time is over. Test your fast eyes within 15 seconds. Hey, are you genius? Find 2086 within given time. Wow, that's great! Spot the odd finger within time. Come on, legend, you found it. Time is over. Wow, you are sharp eyes. Anybody can find within 15 seconds? Come on, viewers, my last question and very hard question. Come on, you found it. Time is over. Yes, you are very genius. Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.